In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable fast startup and other powerful tweaks to dramatically reduce boot time and improve overall Windows performance. Follow every step carefully for best results and don't miss the extra tip at the end. For the first step, let's enable fast startup. This feature helps your PC boot up much faster by saving system info to a file upon shutdown. Click on the Windows search icon and enter Control Panel. Click on it to open the control panel. Now set the view bar to small icons. Then you click on power options. From the sidebar, click on choose what the power buttons do. Then you click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Under shutdown settings, make sure to check the box for turn on fast startup. And if you don't see this option, here is how to fix it. Then right click on the start menu icon. Then you click on terminal admin. Click yes to allow this app to make changes. Type the following command. Type power cfg /hibernate on. Then you press enter. Then you head back to the control panel settings and refresh the page. The fast startup option should show up now. Now, let's optimize virtual memory, which is the page file settings. This step helps improve performance when your RAM usage is high. Click on the Windows search icon and then type in advanced system settings. Once it pops up, click on it to open it. This will open the system properties window. Under the advanced tab, click on the settings under performance. Then you click on advanced. Head down to virtual memory and then click on change. Uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Head down and then check custom size. For the initial size, head down to total paging file size for all drives and then see the recommended for your drive. Then you enter the recommended value. Mine is 1909 MB. For the maximum size, multiply the initial size or the recommended size by 2 and enter in the result. So I'll just open my calculator. And then I'll multiply 1909 by 2. Now I have 3818. So I'll go ahead and enter in that result. Then you click on set. Then finally click on OK. Then you restart your PC for changes to apply. Let's continue by disabling Windows subsystem for Linux, which is WSL. This feature is unnecessary unless you are using Linux commands on Windows. Click on the Windows search icon and type in Windows features. Once it pops up, click on it to open it. Scroll down and then find Windows subsystem for Linux. If this feature is checked, uncheck it. Then you click on OK and restart if prompted. Now let's disable unnecessary startup programs. Too many startup apps can slow down boot time significantly. Press Ctrl+Shift+Escape on your keyboard to open the task manager. On the left pane, click on startup apps. Disable all non-essential programs like OneDrive, mobile devices, and other applications or software you don't need. For this step, let's check for disk errors. Corrupted drive sectors can slow down or crash your system. Press the Windows key +E on your keyboard to open File Explorer. Now from the left pane, click on this PC. Right click on your drive C, which is the operating system drive. Then you click on Properties. Go to the Tools tab. Under Error Checking, click on Check and then click on Scan Drive. Windows will scan and fix any detected issues automatically. And for the bonus tip, upgrade to SSD. If you are still running Windows on an HDD, consider upgrading to an SSD. It's the #1 upgrade that will instantly boost boot speed and overall performance, often by 5 to 10 times. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more performance tips, and let me know your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.